Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to make a girlfriend in Infinite Craft. So first thing that you will do is go for Earth, Wind, then go for Earth again, and then go for Fire 2 times, and after that go for Planet, Fire, and Computer 2 times, and after that go for Server, and then Cloud. So from here, go for Computer and Internet 2 times, and connect the two. From here, go for Internet. So we will have a meme. Just simply go for Internet, System, and after that go for Internet, and then Network. And now connect the two. From here, just simply go for like, and from here go for a like down below, Facebook, and then go for friend, and now connect the two. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.